opportunity to blossom.
We're very proud of him. We can't imagine our lives without him.
Donate today and help change lives.
Every day, men, women, and children are hurting and hungry right here in our community. That's why donating your used car to Portland Rescue Mission is so important. Help drive away hunger. Visit portlandrescuemission.org/car. Help drive away hunger. Visit portlandrescuemission.org/car.
Good morning, everyone. Looking outside, we have plenty of clouds and some